Sa huling araw ng paglilitis bago mag-Holy Week break ang impeachment court, pinatestigo ng depensa si dating Manila Mayor Lito Atienza ukol sa naging papel ng may bahay ni Chief Justice Renato Corona sa pagbebenta ng isang ari-arian sa Maynila. Saksi si Sherry Ann Torres.
Sa huling araw bago ang Holy Week break ng Senado, iniharap ng depensa si dating Manila Mayor Lito Atienza. Nais ng depensa ang patunayan na sa biniling lupa ng Manila City Government mula sa Basa Guedote Enterprises Incorporated o BGEI sa halagang 34.7 billion pesos nanggaling ang 11 million pesos na inutang ni Chief Justice Renato Corona at siyang ginamit na pambili sa La Vista property bago ibinenta sa anak na si Carla Corona Castillo. Ayon sa dating alkalde, ang lote raw ng BGEI ang nakita nilang pinakamainam na paglilipatan ng public market na kailangan i-relocate dahil gagamitin ng lugar para sa pagtatayo noon ng Legarda LRT Station. May 13, 1999 daw unang sumulat ang City Administrator ng Maynila sa BGEI para ipagbigay alam na kailangang i-expropriate o kunin ang lupa para sa pampublikong gamit. Sabi ni Atienza, ilang buwan daw walang tugon ang korporasyon hanggang nakipagpulong sa kanya noong taong 2000 si Cristina Corona kasama ang mister.
Meron ho bang kasama si Ginang Cristina Corona noong nakipagkita sa inyo?
Kasama po yung kanyang butihing kabiyak.
Ano ho ba ang pagpakilala nila sa iyo?
Si Attorney Renato Corona, abogado.
Kilala ba ho ninyo yung Ginoong Corona noong panahon na yon?
Hindi po. Yung pa unang pagkakataon ng pagkikita namin, bagamat nababasa ko sa dyaryo sapagkat alam ko naging bahagi siya ng Presidential Legal Office noong panahon ni Pangulong Ramos.
Si Mrs. Corona nagpakilala naman daw bilang kinatawan ng BGEI. Bilang patunay, nagharap daw siya ng certification na inihanda ng Corporate Secretary at ina niyang si Asuncion Basa Rocco. Taglay raw nito ang authorization na inaprobahan sa isang resolusyon ng BGEI Board noong 1987 at pirmado ng ina ni Cristina at tiyahing si Sister Concepcion Basa.
Resolved that the corporation appoint Cristina Corona as its exclusive agent to negotiate, sell, and or dispose the property together with improvements thereon, located at Bustillo Street, Sampaloc, Metro Manila, covered by TCT numbers 76220.
Sa huli, napagkasundo ang ibenta ni Cristina ang mahigit 1,000 square meter property sa presyong 34,000 pesos per square meter. Parehong si Mrs. Corona at si Noy Mayor Atienza ang pumirma sa deed of sale noong March 26, 2001. Ang 34.7 billion na kabuoang bayad para sa Sampaloc lot, buong ibinigay sa pamamagitan ng tseke.
In the deed of sale, who was selling the property?
Basa Guedote Enterprises, a private corporation.
Why did the City of Manila pay the money to
Represented po siya.
Cristina Corona instead of Basa Enterprises?
Yun po naman sa security rin po nung transaksyon at nung cheque. Somebody has to be responsible. We don't know Basa Guedote Enterprises kung sino po yan. Ang representante po na kausap namin na aming maaaring gawing managot dun sa checking yon ay si Cristina Corona.
Sa cross-examination, ipinunto ng prosekusyon ang kawalan umano ng due diligence ng dating alkalde sa pakikipagtransaksyon.
Did you not ask for a copy of the board resolution mentioned here?
I'm sure when the City Legal Office prepared the draft deed of sale, lahat po yan pinag-usapan nila. I presume that. Alam nyo, pag-prepare ng kontrata, pagpirma ng mayor ng kontrata, every day you are signing documents as high as this, hindi po na mabubusisi lahat yung mga requirements. That's why we have 26,000 employees.
There is a sale of 2 parcels of land. The amount agreed upon by the parties had been paid to the owner, Your Honor, received in trust by the representative, and public market for which the property had been appropriated had already been built. So the transaction is a long consummated transaction.
We are showing the infirmities, Your Honor, the flaws attendant to.
Lalo namang uminit ang ulo ni Defense Lead Counsel Serafin Cuevas sa clarificatory questioning ni Senador Ralph Recto.
There was a withdrawal as testified here by the PS Bank manager, if I'm not mistaken, 34 million ang withdraw noong December 12, 2011. And that is why hindi kailangan makasama naman yon dun sa SAL-N ni Chief Justice noong 2010.
If you are asking outside, Your Honor,
Yes.
just kindly wait. We are not yet through with our
No,
opportunity.
I just want to assure the
Non-declaration.
defense that I am not making a conclusion. I'm just trying to understand the evidence presented here, whether testimony or documentary.
You have considered only the evidence of the prosecution thus far. I hope I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Because you have never cited any evidence on the by the defense, Your Honor. It was received by Mrs. Corona in trust.
In trust for,
So
precisely.
is it hers? Even if we follow your logic, Your Honor, is
No,
it
I'm not
hers?
saying it is hers.
Oh, precisely. So why will he be
Precisely.
Why will the husband be accountable for that?
I'm not even saying that.
You're making a summation of facts, but solely on the basis in favor of one party. Why? Because there is no evidence yet on the part. We have never discussed about these deposits, Your Honor.
Do not worry, I will listen to your defense.
The only concept that you have is the concept coming from the prosecution's evidence, Your Honor.
Let's,
I will no longer belabor the point, Mr. President,
Let's
and
wait
I
for
assure
the
the defense that I
Yes,
will
yes.
listen
Let's ask,
patiently.
Very unfair.
the former mayor of Manila was presented
Yes, Your
as a
Honor.
witness by the defense.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he testified that the city of Manila paid 34.7 million.
34.7, Your Honor.
34.703
Yes.
million pesos to Mrs. Corona. The
So-
judges are relating that precisely to inform themselves about their anticipation of the explanation of what they heard about the bank deposits. I hope you understand the position of the members of the Senate who are not lawyers.
Humarap din sa Day 34 ng paglilitis ang finance manager ng John Hay Management Corporation, kung saan nagsilbing president, CEO, COO at acting chair of the board si Cristina Corona mula 2007 hanggang 2010. Sa panahong ito, nakatanggap daw si Mrs. Corona ng mahigit 6.1 million sa sahod, allowance at benepisyo. Dahil dawit na ang pangalan na asawa ng puno maestrado, ayon sa depensa,
Siguro pagbalik, hindi na. Sometime, somehow, it must come into an end. So, we're definitely preparing her to take this stand.
natapos ang pagdinig pasado alas 6 ng gabi. Pero dahil marami pa raw tanong ang prosecution panel, pati ang senator judges dito kay dating Manila Mayor Lito Atienza, muli siyang magbabalik sa impeachment court. Ang prosekusyon at ang depensa sandali raw na magpapahinga. Pero agad din daw silang sasabak sa trabaho bilang paghahanda sa muli nilang paghaharap sa korte sa pagbabalik sesyon ng Kongreso sa May 7. Ako si Sharian Torres, ang inyong saksi.
Saksihan mamaya. Pambasang kamao Manny Pacquiao, tinalikuran na raw ang mga bisyo.
Sa showbiz saksi, advanced screening ng The Hunger Games, pinilahan.
At tikman ng iba't ibang pangimagas na, sugar-free.
Huwag bibitiw!
Sama-sama pa rin tayong magiging saksi.